Psychology quiz. Which term describes the interacting influences between personality and environmental factors? Is it refraction or cycle of evocation or regression or repression or reciprocal determinism? Correct answer is reciprocal determinism. Explanation of the correct answer. Reciprocal determinism depicts the interacting influence between personality and environmental factors. Thus, we choose to place ourselves in certain environments, our personality, and those environments influence our behavior and the way we think.